Hello, Eric Dennis here with CIR Realty. Hopefully you're having an amazing day. Today I want to talk about home inspections. Going into a competitive market, a lot of the times buyers drop the home inspection condition. I'm absolutely against it. I'm going to encourage you to have it all day long, every time. Here's the thing, unless you are in renovations or a really experienced buyer, or lastly, have a ton of cash sitting in the bank waiting for unexpected surprises, then you're going to want to have the home inspection. And then once you do have the home inspection, I'm going to encourage you to be there the whole time. Now, sometimes that's not realistic compared to schedules. I totally get that, but at a minimum, be there the last half hour to 45 minutes, so then the home inspector can take you around, show you the deficiencies so you can put your eyeballs on it, assess how serious it is, and come up with a game plan on how to correct it. A lot of the times the agents are not there. By code, they are supposed to be at the inspection the whole duration. They're putting their schedule ahead of your needs. Totally against that, obviously. We'll talk about that another day, but at least do yourself a favor, have the home inspection done, and treat it like a course on how to maintain your home. Especially if you're the first time buyer, this is critical for you to follow the inspector around and take in all that information that you are paying for. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, give me a call. Bye-bye.